Patience 10. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Every day people lose their loved ones. It is an inevitable outcome. A Muslim can remember and act on many things which can aid them during this difficulty. One thing is to observe the situation in a positive way. Meaning, instead of being sad over what one has lost, they should concentrate on the good things that they gained through the person who is departed, such as their good advice and guidance. When one reflects on this, they will understand that it was better to know the person before losing them instead of not knowing them at all. It is similar to the statement, it is better to have loved and lost than not loved at all. Though in most cases, this statement is taken out of context and misused, but when used in this way it is correct and helpful. In addition, a Muslim who undoubtedly believes in the hereafter should always remember that people do not meet in this world only to leave each other, but instead they only leave this world in order to meet again in the next world. This attitude can aid one in remaining patient during such a difficulty. And it should inspire them to increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience so that they can reunite with their loved one in their final resting place in the gardens of refuge forever.